When you hear about a couple trying to get pregnant, it's a very private struggle. It's not something people are talking about with their work colleagues and their friends.
Our job is providing answers about the underlying problem that may be stopping them from realizing their dream of becoming a parent.
And we just have to work together to optimize both of you to get your best chances at having a healthy baby. The Center for Male Fertility offers complete services. They're going to get an assessment by a physician, they're going to get diagnostic testing ordered. It's going to all be done on the same visit, oftentimes under the same roof. And then the female side, again, full services and all under the Cleveland Clinic umbrella. The physicians for both members of the couple are going to be in very close communication, so they're not having to dabble in different healthcare systems.
About 40 to 50% of all causes of infertility in a couple are due to the male factor.
So our goal really is to provide full service care. We're trying to really make it convenient for young people who often are working, 8 to 5 jobs, and it's not easy to get testing done.
Our laboratory provides the most advanced testing. It employs the most advanced instrumentation that is available for diagnostic workup of these men. But most importantly, we have a dedicated group of young men and women who are highly trained, who are very competent, and who are extremely professional and compassionate.
Cleveland Clinic is at the forefront of infertility services. Our laboratory does semen analysis where we assess sperm count, sperm motility, sperm morphology, and these parameters are very important in predicting the fertility potential of a male patient. Also, we can now freeze the samples in cases where there is cancer or infertility, and the folks need to preserve their semen sample for future use.
Because such laboratories don't exist in every single little town, we develop a transport kit for collection of semen sample called NextGen. They can collect it in the privacy of their home and ship it back to us overnight, and we will be able to analyze their sample.
A lot of times locally men can't get access to good advanced semen testing, and the quality of the Andrology lab is so important to really understand what the underlying cause of their condition might be and what their options are.
We work as a team. We share the results to diagnose, treat, and manage these patients successfully.
We always try to offer options to patients. Lifestyle changes to start are an option. Medication is an option. In a subset of our patients, surgery is really going to be their only option to father a child. There are different types of surgical procedures that we can offer, but all the surgical services we provide, they're done through small incisions, outpatient operations. The patient goes home that same day. We see a tremendous amount of success after our procedures to improve their ability to cause a pregnancy naturally.
It's very satisfying to be able to help couples who are struggling with infertility.
Just showing them that there's somebody that cares for them through this process and just acknowledging for them how hard this is.
Patients first is the Cleveland Clinic guiding principle, providing compassionate care, outstanding services every step of the way.
They can trust the type of care that we can offer and the men and women who are here to help them go through this journey.